Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DreamHost web hosting. DreamHost web hosting offers web hosting services for individuals and businesses. Its main purpose is to provide reliable and affordable space for websites, including features like email hosting, domain registration, and various website building tools. Their target audience is anyone needing a place to host their online presence, from bloggers to small businesses. Their website provides details on their various plans and features. They emphasize ease of use, pricing transparency with no hidden fees, and offer a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. They highlight their robust infrastructure and commitment to uptime. You can check their availability and pricing directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DreamHost. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I had my website up and running within an hour. The control panel, while not the most visually stunning, is incredibly intuitive. I found managing my email accounts and FTP access incredibly simple. The performance has been excellent, as my website loads quickly and I haven't experienced any significant downtime. I had a quick question about setting up an SSL certificate, and their support responded within a few hours via their live chat, which was very helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to install WordPress using their one-click installer. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for managing the account, but it's not a major issue. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DreamHost. The ease of use, reliable performance, and responsive customer support make it a solid choice for web hosting. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and exceeded my expectations in terms of value for money. That's my overview of DreamHost web hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.